Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss morphology of flower. Okay, so this is a structure, this is a diagram of flower, and these are the different parts of flower. Okay, so let's discuss. This is pedicel. This is actually the floral axis. Okay, this is a pedicel. This is the receptacle on which the flower is based on. Ovule, and this is a female reproductive structure, that is stigma, style, and ovary, and ovule which lies within this ovary, and this is stamen, male reproductive structure comprised of two parts, this anther part and this filament part. Okay, and this is the colorful part of this flower which are known as petals, and these green parts, a leaf-like part known as sepal. Okay, so let's discuss about every part of flower. So first of all, we would start with this pedicel. What is this pedicel? Pedicel, this is a stalk of the flower. यानी एक जिसको कह सकते हैं कि एक stalk होता है flower का. The stalk of flower. Okay, the plants. This stalk of flower is this actually provides spores to the flower. ये spore provide करता है उस flower को, and all the flowers which have these pedicels just beneath them, or the flowers which have this stalk pedicel, they are known as pedicellate flowers, and the flowers which are without this pedicels, without this stalk, they are known as sessile flowers. तो आपको ये डिफरेंशिएट, जो इसमें जो डिफरेंशिएशन है दोनों में जो डिफरेंसेस है वो आपको ये चीज पता होनी चाहिए. Pedicellate flowers and sessile flowers. तो pedicellate flowers जो है आपके, they do have this pedicel, this stalk, and sessile flowers are without this pedicel or this stalk. Okay. Then the next part is receptacle. This receptacle part is, this is a base of flower. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Base of flower, क्योंकि इसी के ऊपर जो है ओवरी जो होती है वो टिकी हुई होती है. Okay, so this is the base of flower. This lies above this pedicel, this stalk, and is actually, it is said to be modified shoot, or you can say the modified stem that forms this floral axis. Okay, क्योंकि जो modified जो stem, जो modified जो branch आगे मॉडिफाई हुई है इनटू फ्लोरल एक्सिस, उसी फ्लोरल एक्सिस के ऊपर ही फ्लावर जो है वो डेवलप होता है. ओके, देन द होल मतलब होता है क्लस्टर ऑफ पार्ट्स. क्लस्टर ऑफ पार्ट्स मींस क्लस्टर ऑफ कलरफुल पेटल्स, क्लस्टर ऑफ मेल एंड फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट्स, यानी उनका एक पूरा का पूरा ग्रुप, उसे हम क्या बोल देते हैं? होल. So there are four different holes in flower. Okay, the first hole is this sepal. These they are looking like modified leaves. They are green in color. What are sepals? Actually, a collection of sepals known as calyx. So calyx term has been given to the collection of sepals. तो दिस फॉर्म द फर्स्ट लेयर ऑफ फ्लावर. इसको ये पहली लेयर बनाती है फ्लावर की, क्योंकि जैसे ही रिसेप्टेकल खत्म हुआ उसके बाद किसकी बारी आई? सेपल. तो दिस फॉर्म द फर्स्ट लेयर ऑफ फ्लावर एंड सेड टू बी मॉडिफाइड लीव्स एंड आर ऑफन ग्रीन इन कलर. Their main function is to protect the flower while in the bud stage, and this form the first hole. जब वो बड स्टेज में होता है फ्लावर, जब वो फ्लावर डेवलप होना शुरू होता है, फ्रॉम दैट टाइम दिस स्ट्रक्चर प्रोवाइड्स सपोर्ट एंड प्रोटेक्शन टू द ग्रोइंग फ्लावर और दिस ग्रोइंग बड which would change into flower later. Then first hole and the first layer of flower, sepal. Collection of sepals, calyx. Then we have petals. The collection of petals is known as corolla. तो corolla हम जो collective term है, actually corolla and calyx is collective terms has been given for sepals and petals. So collection of petals, corolla, is this forms second hole of flower structure. They are colorful part of the flower, जो भी आप देखते हैं colorful part, red, okay, yellow, or different colors of flowers, they are petals. Okay, and the main function of these petals is to attract pollinators. Okay, in order to achieve pollination for the plant. Okay, so they form the second hall of flower. They are colorful part of flower to attract pollinators and are modified leaves, said to be modified leaves. Okay, so these petals actually form a different symmetry. Symmetry यानी हम उसे कैसे हम उसको dissect कर सकते हैं. So they do form different symmetry. So on the basis of the arrangement of petals in a flower, there are of two types. Two type of flowers are there. Either actinomorphic flower or zygomorphic flower. Actinomorphic flowers, they do have radial symmetry. Radial symmetry that means कि आप लोग equally उसको 3 या 4 ये parts, equal parts में आप उसको divide कर सकते हैं, उसको काट सकते हैं flower को. So actinomorphic flowers have the radial symmetry, or you can say the arrangement of petals in radial manner. Okay. Zygomorphic flowers, they do have bilateral symmetry, or you can say they do have irregular symmetry. जब हम इसको डायसेक्ट करेंगे, काटेंगे इसको हम लोग, तो वो इक्वल पार्ट्स में वो डिवाइड नहीं हो पाएगा, नहीं कटेगा. Okay, so on the basis of the arrangement of petals, flowers can either be actinomorphic or zygomorphic. Then we have the male and female reproductive parts. The male reproductive part is known as stamen. It has two parts, anther and filament. And collectively, the male reproductive part is known as androecium. Male reproductive part. This androecium, this forms the third hole. First hole is sepal. Second hole is corolla, petals. Third hole by the stamen, this androecium, and fourth hole by this pistil, or gynoecium. So androecium, the male reproductive part, and this is the comprised of anther and filaments. Okay, and then we have the fourth hole of the flower structure, that is pistil. Pistil is a female reproductive part, which can also be known as gynoecium. Okay, the female reproductive part, which it has three parts: stigma, style and ovary. So these are the different parts of flower we have discussed now. In tomorrow's lecture we would discuss the male and female reproductive structures and ovule in detail. Thank you.